Morning to all dear students and welcome back again in today's session. Today I am going to teach you grammar lesson number 23. Present, past. Present means now and past means yesterday. We know about action words. Action words are known as what? Verbs. Yes, verb shows action. Some actions are done now in the present time. Some actions were done in the past. We use different forms of action words for present and past. Let us study one by one. I go to school. This is present action. And I went to school. This is past action. Learn some past form of action words. Here we will study one by one. Go, went. Go, go, it is in present form and went, went is the past form. Do, its past form is did, did. Begin, begin, its past form is began, began. Take, past form TOOK, took. Give, past form GAVE, gave. HEAR here, its past form is HEARD, heard. Bring, past form BROUGHT, brought. Write, past form WROTE, wrote. Drink, its past form DRANK, drank. Sing, past form SANG, sang. Buy, past form BOUGHT, bought. Swim, SWAM, swam. Eat, past form ATE, ate. SELL, SOLD, sold. SLEP, sleep, SLEPT, slept. RUN, run, RAN, ran. STAND, stand, STOOD, stood. SIT, sit, SAT, sat. DRAW, draw, DREW, drew. TEACH, teach, TAUGHT, taught. Is, am, are. For these three words, is, am, are. Is we use in front of he, she, it. Am we use for I. For example, he is, she is, it is. I am. And are we use for we and they. WEVTHEY, they. We are, they are. For these words we use was, were. WAS, was, WERE, were. Now another action words are PLAY, pay, PLAYED, played. PLAY, play, PLAYED, played. Here ED is attached. WORK, work, WORKED, worked. COOK, cook, COOKED, cooked. WASH, wash, WASHED, washed. BATHE, bath, BATHED, bath. WALKED, walk, WALKED, walked. OPEN, open, OPENED, opened. CLOSE, clothes, CLOSED, closed. SHUT shut. For shut, past word is shut only. SHUT shut is in present form and its past form is shut only. SHUT shut. There are some words that they have the past form same word only. PUT put, past form PUT put. Another example is CUT cut also. Its past form is CUT cut only. LOOK look, LOOKED looked. LAY lay, LAID laid. PAY pay, PAID paid. SAY say, SAID said. TURN turn, TURNED turned. PULL pull, PULLED pulled. PUSH push, PUSHED pushed. LOVE love, LOVED loved. HATE hate, HATED hated. PRAY pray, PRAYED prayed. JUMP jump, JUMPED jumped. FILL fill, FILLED filled. For have and has we use past form HAD had. I hope everybody understood action words and their past form. Action words are in present form and we studied their past form. Now we will solve worksheet based on action words and its past form. So open page number 47. Worksheet is given to you. We will solve this worksheet. Question number A. Write the past form of bring. Its past form is brought. Write here BROUGHT. DRINK drink, drank. DRANK drank. Eat, ate. ATE ate. RUN run. What is its past form? Correct. Ran. RAN ran. SIT sit. SAT sat. Now next. DO do. Did. DID did. SING sing. SANG sang. SELL sell. Its past form is SOLD sold. Next, STAND stand. Its past form is stood. STOOD stood. DRAW draw. Past form DREW drew. I hope everybody understood question number A. Let's move towards question number B. Write the present form of. Here now past form is given to you. Here you have to write its present form. In question number present form is given to you. You have written here past form. Now in question number B, past form is given to you. You have to write its present form. Taught. Its present form is teach. TEACH teach. LAID laid. LAY lay. For writing answers, you follow page number 46. WROTE wrote. Present form is write. WRITE write. SLEPT slate. Its present form SLEEP sleep. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Its present form is B-U-Y, buy. Next, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Its present form is think. T-H-I-N-K, think. O-P-E-N-E-D, opened. Present form is correct. O-P-E-N, open. Right here. O-P-E-N, open. B-E-G-A-N, began. Its present form is begin. B-E-G-I-N. W-E-N-T, went. Present form is go. And last word, S-H-U-T, shut. Its present form is same word, shut only. S-H-U-T, shut. Now we will study question number C. C is change each sentence into simple past tense. Here in this question you have to find out the verb and change it into past tense. Number 1 is Sunita sings a song. So here action word is sings. Yes, I am underlining here sings. What is the past form of sing? Sang. So the answer is Sunita sang a song. So write here Sunita sang a song. Full stop. I hope everybody understood. First you have to find out the action words. Number 2, the peon rings the bell. Here action word is rings. So what is the past form of ring? Rang. So the answer is the peon rang the bell. Here no need to add s to the verb. It is in present form. That's why s is added to the verb. But while changing into past tense, you have to remove the s. So second is the peon rang the bell. Right here, the peon rang the bell. Third, we play in the park. Here verb is, action is play. So what is the past tense of play? Played. So we will write here we played in the park. I hope everybody understood. Number 4 is the maid sweeps the floor. So action is sweeps. Past tense of sweep, swept. So write here the maid swept the floor. S-W-E-P-T, swept the floor. After each sentence give full stop. Fifth number, the cock crows at 4 a.m. Here action is crows. So the past form of crow, crowed. Right here, the cock crowed. C-R-O-W-E-D, crowed at 4 a.m. Next, I read a fine story. Here action is read and the past form of read is read only. So the answer is the same. I read a fine story. Full stop. Number 7, you do your homework. So action is do. So what is the past form of do? did. So your answer is you did your homework. Write here, you did your homework. Number 8, they look at the blackboard. Here action is look. So past form of look is look. So you will write here, they looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked at the blackboard. They look at the blackboard. Here board I am writing downside. Number 9 is the baby sleeps soundly. Here the action is sleeps. So past tense of sleep is slept. So the answer is the baby slept. S-L-E-P-T, slept soundly. S-O-U-N-D-L-Y, soundly. And the last is the dog barks loudly. Here the action word is bark. So past form of bark is barked. The dog barked loudly. I hope everybody understood question number C also. So you have to learn these action words and its past form. Learn this word and its past form. This is your homework. Write these action words in your homework notebook and its past form also and learn. I hope everybody understood lesson number 23, present form and past form of the given action words. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.